Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're taking a look at the Liberty Air 2 Pro. Now if you know Soundcore and any of their headphones, they do some great options at some great prices, and these are no exception. So let's take a look. Now while this video is not sponsored by Soundcore, they did send over these headphones for the purpose of this review, and I've been using them as my only wireless pair of headphones for around 1 week now. Now previously I was using the Bose QC35-2 and the LG FN6 in-ear earbuds, but I've switched over completely to these new ones here from Soundcore just to give them a really good run for their money and see exactly how good they can be. Now if you've been following Soundcore at all on social media, you'll see that they've had a massive run up to this event and the launch of these new headphones, and for some good reasoning. I'm going to get into the exact sound of the headphones in a little bit on the video, but safe to say, a little bit of a spoiler alert, they actually sound incredible. But first off, let's get onto the design of the headphones and also what you get inside the packaging. So with the Liberty Air 2 Pro, obviously you do get the headphones, the carrying case, a USB-C cable, and you get a ton of different ear tips. Now from my recollection, there's about 12 ear tips in here, along with the 2 that actually come on the earbuds themselves, so you're definitely going to find a size that suits you. Not only do they have small, medium, large, but they have medium, large, medium, and a wide variety of fit, so in regards to getting that perfect seal in your ear, you're not really going to have too many problems. Of course, you then have the actual earbuds themselves in this really nice carrying case. Now, with regards to the battery life on these headphones, you're going to get around 7 hours of battery with the earbuds themselves, and that increases to a further 26 hours battery life when you're actually using the carrying case. So in regards to those long listening sessions, and when we get back to traveling, you're not going to have any issues, and you can listen to pretty much what you want for as long as you want for those longer journeys. You can then charge them really quickly because they do have fast charging built on board, and you can also charge them wirelessly as well. So if you do want to throw them down on a wireless charger or use reverse wireless charging on your device, then you've got the option to do so. Now one of the main features for these new headphones is active noise cancelling or hybrid noise cancelling that you're going to get. Now you do also have a passive pass-through of sound as well, so if you're out and about and you do need to hear some outside sounds, then you're going to have the option to pass that straight through to the headphone. But if you really want to concentrate, get stuff done, and just get immersed in the music, the noise cancelling does a really good job at getting rid of those rumbles and tones that you may hear with some other headphones. Now, while it's not necessarily the best active noise cancelling that I've heard, in regards to the price of the headphones that you're going to be paying, it's up there with some of the best. Now the earbuds themselves have a really nice design to them. You've got this sort of two-tone finish, and they do also come in a bunch of different colours. You can get them in blue, black, pink, and also a white colour, and overall they have a really nice look to them. Now they may not be the most subtle in terms of the design. You do have the chrome accent of the Soundcore logo and also the branding just here on the side, but overall they look extremely nice. You do also have the red accents that are pretty much known for Soundcore headphones, but overall they're really well built, and again we'll go into the sound. They sound pretty good. Now you've also got that charging case that I mentioned, which yes, okay, it can pick up some fingerprints, but overall does a really good job of keeping the headphones safe. If you're going to drop it, I've not really got any reservations about any sort of damage or anything, but one thing that I would say is it doesn't fit the pocket test. Most of my wireless earbuds I put in the small change pocket on my right hand side. These ones unfortunately don't fit, but the actual carrying case itself isn't necessarily too large. Inside the earbuds, you've got the new 11mm pure note drivers. Now these deliver some really awesome and rich sound. The bass sounds incredible, the highs hit really nicely, and overall they're great for pretty much any listening experience. Now I've used these with a bunch of different music genres, from hardcore metal to R&B to acoustic music, and I've also used it to listen to a ton of podcasts and also watching some TV and movies. Now one thing that I would say as well, with the Bluetooth on board, they do a really good job at kind of minimizing that delay that you sometimes get with Bluetooth headphones. When I'm watching something on my iMac, for example, using these earbuds, there isn't really too much of a delay. Now yes, you can notice that you are using Bluetooth headphones, but again, it's better than some that I've used in the past. And just quickly going back to those 3 different levels of noise cancelling, you've got the option for outdoor mode, and what that basically does is it gets rid of the majority of outdoor sounds. You've then got transport mode, which again can take some of the sounds out, but it also cancels out things like engine noise and things like that for if you're maybe in a car or on a train, for example. Then again, it's going to do a really good job at getting rid of a lot of those sounds. And then finally, you have indoor mode, and that does a really good job of getting rid of those rumbles that you may get from an air conditioning unit, for example, and it does a really good job of blocking out those sounds. So whether you want to really concentrate on the music you're listening to or edit some video, for example, it does a really good job at blocking out the majority of frequencies. Now you've also got 6 microphones built on board each earbud, so that's going to give you really superior call quality. Now for me, when I've been using these for video calls for work, for example, people have actually been saying how good I sound, so that's testament to exactly how good these microphones are. And being from Soundcore, you do have full integration with the Soundcore app. So if that's choosing different EQ presets, using the Hear ID to get that perfect fit for your earbuds, it's got some really great options to it. And this is also where you can go in and tinker around with the noise cancelling, EQ settings, and just in general customize the earbuds to make them sound exactly how you want them to. So overall guys, I am really impressed by the Liberty Air 2 Pros from Soundcore. Now for me, yes, I do maybe like a smaller carrying case, but then again you are going to sacrifice some battery, whereas if you use this one with the carrying case, you're getting well near 30 hours of battery life, which is incredible for those longer listening sessions. The overall design of the headphones is nice. For me, I would go with the black model because it's a little more subdued and subtle than what you're going to get with some of the other colours available. But as always guys, the headphones that I've mentioned in this video will be linked in that description down below, so if you guys want to pick some up for yourselves, then let me know exactly how they sound. If you're using any other wireless headphones, let me know in the comment section below which ones you're currently using, and I'll do my best to kind of respond and talk about my experiences with different wireless headphones. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any more questions or comments, let me know in the comment section or on Twitter at @CopperVersusGlass. For more content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe, and once you've hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.